In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vendor in Bill.com. To get started, sign in to your Bill.com account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click Vendors. This is where all of your existing vendor records are stored and managed. From there, click New Vendor or Add Vendor, depending on the version of the interface you see. Now you can begin entering the vendor's information. Start with the legal business name. It's important to enter the official name accurately, since this helps keep your records organized and ensures payment details match the vendor correctly. If you plan to send electronic payments or communicate through the platform, add the vendor's email address as well. You can also enter a phone number if you have one available, along with the mailing address so the profile is complete. Next, choose the appropriate vendor type or category if your account uses classifications. This can make reporting and organization much easier later on, especially if you manage a large number of vendors. After that, select the default payment method if one applies, then enter the vendor's payment terms such as net 30 or due on receipt so your bills and due dates stay consistent. If your business requires tax documentation, add the vendor's tax information such as tax ID or W-9 details. Be sure to handle this carefully and only enter what is necessary for your internal process. If your accounting software is connected, assign the appropriate general ledger account or accounting category. This step helps ensure expenses flow to the correct place in your books. You can also add a memo or internal notes for future reference. This is useful for reminders, special instructions, or anything your team may need later. If you have supporting documents like a W-9, or contract, upload those to the vendor profile so everything is stored in one place. Before saving, take a moment to review all of the information you entered. Double check names, terms, contact details, and accounting settings for accuracy. Once everything looks right, click Save to create the vendor profile. After saving, open the newly created vendor record and confirm that all the details were saved correctly. If you notice anything that needs to be adjusted, click Edit and update the information. As a final check, create a new bill and select this vendor from your vendor list to verify that the vendor is available and working as expected. Then save your changes and continue managing vendor payments through your Bill.com account.